To enroll in Zelle with US Bank, start by opening the US Bank mobile banking app on your device. If you do not have the app, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is open, log into your US Bank account using your username and password. After logging in, navigate to the menu and select the Send Money option. This will take you to the Zelle enrollment page. On this page, you will be prompted to review and agree to the Zelle terms of service. Read through the terms carefully and check the box to agree. Next, you will be asked to verify your mobile number or email address. This is the contact information that will be used to send and receive money with Zelle. Enter your mobile number or email address and select the Continue button. You will then receive a verification code that you must enter to complete the verification process. Once your contact information is verified, you will be asked to add a recipient. You can add a recipient by entering their mobile number or email address. You can also add a recipient from your contacts list after adding a recipient. You can send money to them using Zelle. To send money, simply enter the amount you want to send and select the Send button. The money will be deducted from your US bank account and deposited into the recipient's bank account. You can also request money from others using Zelle. To do this, select the Request Money option and enter the amount you want to request. It is important to note that to use Zelle, the recipient must also be enrolled in Zelle and have a bank account in the United States. Additionally, there may be limits on the amount of money you can send or receive using Zelle. So be sure to check your account limits before sending or requesting money. By following these steps, you can easily enroll in Zelle with US Bank and start sending and receiving money with friends, family, and others. Zelle is a convenient and secure way to transfer money, and it is available to US Bank customers at no additional cost.